So today we're going to start our mystery unit, and this is the way we review for STAR. You're going to have this week, and then we'll have spring break, and you'll have 2 more weeks, and then, believe it or not, you're going to take the STAR after that. So our mystery this year is the kidnapping of a principal. And so imagine that Mrs. Laughlin was a very wealthy and successful principal. She owned a prosperous oil company and inherited millions from her family. Although Mrs. Laughlin was successful, she had a lot of enemies. Mrs. Laughlin lived alone. She was never married and never had children. In fact, she didn't even like children. She was a grumpy old woman who traveled the world and bought extravagant things. She had 7 sports cars, 3 mansions, and even a private island. You would think someone of this person's wealth would donate generously, but not Mrs. Laughlin. That's why on April 15th, it was no surprise when Mrs. Laughlin was kidnapped. She had it coming, said the town's baker. Mrs. Laughlin never left him a tip. Serves him right, says the local charity, who never saw a dime from old Mrs. Laughlin. Regardless of her reputation, the local police had an important case to crack. Our class has been assigned to solve the case of the kidnapping of a principal. These are our clues that we will work through. And I'm going to hand out the clues as you solve the mystery. And the way that you are going to earn your clues is by working in groups of 3. And we will tell you who is in your group in just a couple minutes. And then each person is going to get a folder. And in the folder, you will find questions that should be kind of familiar. Okay? These are STAR-like questions. And the first set are on purple paper. And they will correspond to, this is your answer document, to the first column in your answer document. So if you want, you can write purple up here to remind yourself that those are on the purple paper. The next set is a poem. Okay. And so for the poem, and there's 1 poem in here as well, you are going to use this set, the center, and you are also going to complete the TP Fast, okay? As you earn clues, so in your answer document, once you get clues A, B, and C, as you earn those clues by getting all the right answers and showing them to one of the teachers and getting their initials, you will use this paper at the end of your answer key to write down some notes about what you think happened. So there are 3 sections stapled into the folder. This is a class set, so you're not going to, when you get the folder, you're not going to write on that. You'll write all your answers in this answer document. Okay? So make sure when you get it, you put your name on it. You can look through it, and then you are working with your group. So the idea is that all 3 of you will have the same answers in your answer document. When you get the clues, you can talk about the clues and see who you think did it. At the very end, we will have a dress-up day, so you can dress up as your favorite detective. And here's one detective example. And you will also get to, if you dress up, earn 4 tickets. All right, so we are about to put you in your groups and give you your answer document so you can put your name and class period. You also have a lot of space if you want to write down some thoughts and clues, and go ahead and get in your groups, grab a folder, and you can get started on the questions. Remember, the idea is that you are working together and that by the end, everybody understands the right answer for all of these questions. That's what's going to help everybody do better on the STAR. Let Mrs. Sasso and Mrs. Wood know if you need any help, and good luck.